Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very yummy, healthy, nutrient dense smoothie that will help improve your digestion, boost your metabolism, load your system with a lot of nutrients you need to always stay healthy and in shape. Not you want to start your day with recipes like this. This is so nourishing and nutrient dense. Not just that, it tastes so yummy in the mouth as well, keeps you so full till afternoon before you eat, with less calories in your system, and you always stay healthy and in shape. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this goodness you can have as breakfast, healthy breakfast alternative that will keep you so full and healthy as well. So let's quickly get into it. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. So let's quickly get into it. So for our healthy breakfast for today, to help with digestion, boost immunity, boost metabolism, the first ingredient we'll be using will be mango. So you can use one mango if you're just alone, but you can use two if you have someone you want to share this with. So mangoes contain a lot of the good enzymes that help to break down food, most especially protein, hard carbs that are unable to be broken down. Mangoes help to improve your digestion, soften all the food you eat so your system can easily break it down without store up causing belly fat and weight gain. It is equally loaded with a lot of nutrients you need for that proper functioning of your system for you to stay healthy. This is something you want to start your day with, so you load your system with nutrients while boosting your metabolism so nothing stores up causing weight gain and belly fat, while it is less calories without putting a lot of calories in your system, as well as it will keep you so full without craving for food. Like, this is so healthy. And mangoes contain vitamin E, vitamin C, like a lot of vitamins and minerals your system loves and will thank you for having nourishing your system with this. So this is the first ingredient. This is the two mangoes I've sliced and rinsed. And yeah, so you want to always make sure to clean your ingredients thoroughly. I don't know your hygiene level, but I always rewash my ingredients so no chances of any bacteria get into my system. So these are my two mangoes sliced, and that is the first ingredient. The second ingredient, which is very good at improving or boosting your digestion or metabolism, are oranges. Like, this is like oranges are the first and highest thing you can always have if you are facing indigestion, most especially with nursing mothers who face difficulties uh, having your kids poop. This is the best thing you want to consume and give some to your baby, and that baby would poop instantly. If you're a nursing mother and you've tried that, leave me your comments below. Like, oranges help with digestion. Like, this is the highest. If you don't have any of the ingredients, like just orange alone is very good at improving your digestion, boost your metabolism. It contains a lot of vitamin C as well, which helps to boost your immunity as well for you to stay healthy and always strong and vibrant, energetic. Very good to start your day with healthy recipes like this and not unhealthy recipes. So this is my orange peel. I always keep them. I use them. I add them in my weight loss recipes. I use them for my to add flavor into my hair creams. Like, I don't throw them. I've shared some of the recipes. If you want, I can link you up on how to use your orange peels. So this is my one orange. One is just okay. So you want to slice into some good sizes that you can easily like blend. You don't want to squeeze out the juice. Here it is tricky. You need the fiber. The fiber itself helps to improve digestion. The fiber itself helps to keep you so full, so you feel like you have eaten a lot but with less calories, because fiber is almost like roughage, like something you want to throw, but we are not throwing it. We need the juice with the fiber in it. Don't squeeze out the orange juice. You need with the fiber, so it really keeps you full as that breakfast that you will not feel and crave for food. So yeah, that is the second ingredient. The third thing you want to add to improve your digestion, metabolism, boost your immunity, cleanse your system, help you detox, like awakens and heats up your system, is ginger, because ginger is thermic. It heats up your system so you can be active to easily break down food, metabolize, and so nothing stores up, causing belly fat, weight gain. And it equally helps you to easily help your system to easily break down the food, so your system doesn't like stress to break it down. It helps your system not to work up a lot. So yeah, this is my ginger. Depending on the amount you can tolerate, I always add like an inch of ginger. So when you chop, you can achieve like a tablespoon of this. So if you've chopped or you've ground your ginger, you just want to scoop 1 tablespoon of the ginger, or 1 teaspoon, depending on your tolerance level. But I can tolerate like 1 tablespoon, so this is just fine in the amount of smoothie I'm making. So this is it. This is my ginger. You want to chop into some good sizes, rinse thoroughly, and voila, this is the third ingredient. Very simple. So the next thing you want to do now is very important. You want to watch this video till the end. You want to put your ingredients in the blender. So that is my ginger I'm putting in first. The next thing I'll be adding will be my orange. You want to add your orange and add your mango. So usually I don't add water, but because I want this for digestion, water itself helps you like digest food so fast. You want to add some water. Water is what you need for digestion. So water is like an ingredient on its own in here. So you want water in here since you want it to boost your metabolism, like soften your belly so you can easily like poop out everything without store up. Add in some water, and I added half a cup of water. So half a cup of water is fine. If you like, you can add 1 cup of water, but half a cup of water, because I don't like my smoothies too watery. I like my smoothies kind of creamy, thick, but not too thick and not too light kind of. So yeah, this is it. You want to blend till you get that very smooth ice creamy consistency that you don't eat and feel like you have some particles in your mouth. That is when you know your smoothie is ready for you to serve. So as I mentioned earlier, this is for 2, but if it is just you, you can have, if you have indigestion issues, like you don't digest foods fast, you can consume 1 cup of this in the morning and 1 cup at bedtime, just for you. But if you just someone like me, I always stay with these kinds of recipes, so I'd hardly face indigestion issues. I can have a cup, share a cup with someone, yeah. Then so yeah, you can share it with your husband, share with your boyfriend, share with your friend, your daughter, your son, whoever you have at home. Share with, and let's all stay healthy and in shape and like with strong immunities. Yeah, I cannot reiterate enough. I hope you understand me. I hope you found this video, or you find this video helpful. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.